Hello, my name is Bobby Roy and I'm 21 years old from India. I'm in the final year with the Paris Marais Dance School and right now I'm preparing my audition for the companies around all around the world. And
I heard you already got into a major ballet company.
yes, that's right. So I got in the in US, there's one of the biggest company, Nevada Ballet. So
Why
I got
are
in
you doing contemporary dance?
because contemporary and classical, they are both connect each other. So the contemporary also gives you the the way, it gives you power and the center and the core. So both are good. If you
Complementary.
if you want to become a ballet dancer, you have to do contemporary classes also. Is both, yeah.